Good morning and welcome to Physics 365. Physics every single day of the year. Physics past, present, and future. The podcast doors are closing.
All right, friends, hello and welcome to Physics 365, episode number 24. We are currently Sunday, 24th of January, 2016, and let's take a look at what we've got going on in this day in physics. 24th of January, 1947. We're going to say happy birthday to Dr. Michio Kaku, a theoretical and popular physicist. I first heard of Michio reading his book Hyperspace, a scientific odyssey through parallel universes, time warps, and the 10th dimension. So needless to say, he's kind of out there, theoretical physicist. Excellent guy, though. Michio has been making his way more and more into the media spotlight, currently making him maybe the most popular scientist, or at least recognizable scientist, outside of Stephen Hawking and Neil deGrasse Tyson. So, happy birthday, Dr. Kaku. And he turns 69 today, so that's what's going on this day in physics. In the past, let's take a look at today's word of the day, which is ISS. And what is ISS? ISS is an acronym like FBI, KFC, NATO, or VIP, and it stands for something. And what it stands for is the International Space Station. Its first component was placed in orbit in 1998 and is referred to as a habitable artificial satellite. It is the largest artificial body in orbit and can often be seen with the naked eye from the surface of the planet. More on this in a minute. It has been continuously inhabited since November 2000. It provides a place for long-term experiments to take place, which can be monitored by human researchers. Crews stay on board the space station for continuous 6-month increments, and then rotate out with other researchers from US, Russia, Japan, Canada, and Europe. The gravity on the ISS is actually not much less than that of Earth's, but because it is orbiting and in a perpetual state of free fall, there is a perceived weightlessness. It stays somewhere between 205 and 270 miles above the Earth and maintains this height with something known as reboot maneuvers, or else it would eventually come crashing back to Earth. It makes roughly 15 orbits a day. It's going around the Earth 15 times a day. Wow, that thing is booking. So that is our word of the day, ISS, International Space Station. So let's take a look at our killer resource, which is highly related to the word of the day, and it's called the ISS Finder app. It's for iPhone, and what it does is it monitors the position of the ISS, and it gives you this really cool, Google Maps type map, and then there's the ISS, floating around, and it gives you a chance to see every single time the ISS crosses your view of the sky. It uses your location on the phone and shows you when you can check it out. So it's free, and it's not made by me, but head over to the blog pwnphysics.blogspot.com if you want to check it out. And so I think that's going to do it for today, guys. I will catch you tomorrow with another edition of Physics 365. Until then, I'll let you get back to it, guys. Take care.
The pod bay doors are reopening. You may now resume normal life functions.